Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting the pan safe and ready. Remove any loose debris and handle rust immediately. Use a stiff scraper or nylon brush to take off crusted food, and if rust is light, scrub with 1 cup coarse salt and a splash of oil to abrade gently. For heavier rust, submerge the skillet in a 50/50 white vinegar and water soak for up to 1 hour. Check every 15 minutes so you don't overetch the iron. Once done, rinse thoroughly and dry. You now remove remaining residue and stabilize the metal. If bits persist, pour in water and bring to a boil for 5 to 10 minutes to lift gunk, then scrub with steel wool until you see bare metal or clean cast iron. Rinse until water runs clear. Dry the skillet immediately with a towel, then place it on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes to evaporate trapped moisture. Make sure the surface is bone dry before moving to seasoning to prevent flash rust. You finish by restoring the protective layer. Rub a very thin coat of a high smoke point oil over the entire skillet, inside and out, wiping excess so it's almost dry to the touch. Place the skillet upside down on the middle oven rack at 450 degrees for 1 hour to polymerize the oil into a hard coating. Make sure to put foil below to catch drips. Once cooled, repeat 2 more thin coats if needed. If sticky spots appear, remove with a light scrub and reseason a thin layer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.